Whoa. So we're about to head to the Keys. My first time going down there.
Mine too.
This is going to be a 7-hour ride from where we're coming from in Tarpon Springs.
With the 2-year-old.
Yeah, with a 2-year-old who's bratty and doesn't like to sit in her seatbelt. So we're going to keep you posted. We're going to get a lot of video down there. Hopefully everything's still open. Crystal's going to do some parasailing, some bungee jumping.
Hold on, what? We didn't talk about bungee jumping.
She's going to do whatever wild thing, wild thrills
that he's too scared to do.
I'm not getting on nothing high, bro. I'm not paying somebody to scare the shit out of me. So that ain't going to happen. But we're on our way, and stay tuned. We're going to videotape it.
Bye.
Hey, so we're going through Miami right now. Crystal finally decided to help me with about 10 minutes of driving on this 7-hour trip.
I've been driving for 2 hours.
10 minutes. So
he's a liar.
Got to our room in the Keys, in Key West, Florida. We're at the Fairfield Inn Marriott. I haven't seen one crackhead, so far so good. Look at this kid. What are you doing? You ready to go hang out? You ready to be on vacation?
Yes.
Mrs. Weak Bladder over here always has to pee every 5 minutes. Very pretty out here. But of course, Crystal has decided to come to the Keys, and it is raining all weekend.
Daddy!
So I don't know how that's going to
She's
play out
outside.
for the rest of the weekend, but we'll see what happens. So stay tuned. We're walking over to Duval Street. It looks like it's going to rain here the whole weekend, so Crystal sure picked the right time to come down to Key West.
I didn't pick this.
So, I don't know. Not looking good. However, it looks very creative down here.
We're gonna go through the art gallery.
Something smells good. I know that.
No, I smell it. What's it smell like?
Very cool.
It smells really cool.
Yes.
Everything's very expensive down here, so. Oh, hips on her.
Jump.
Where did you jump?
Look at that red one.
Oh, with the leg down.
We are at Mangroves on Duval Street.
I want to be in it.
It's raining. It's fucking up we're about to head to the southernmost point. Word of advice, don't date a woman with kids, for one. Ruins your vacation. Don't take your kids on vacation, for two.
That's your kid. That's more your kid than my kid.
Allegedly.
She looks like you.
But this is what we've been dealing with the whole trip. A 7-hour ride with this BS. So just ruined the whole vacation pretty much. So we're going to the southernmost point, and I'll try to get some videotape. And if you see some little legs floating through the water, it's gonna be her. We're walking up to the southernmost point.
Look.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Big jump. Let's go see the water. Careful, careful, careful. All right, y'all, we're at the Banana Cafe. Looks delicious, and we are starving because it is past breakfast time. There's a bunch of little shops everywhere, but a lot of them aren't doing dine-in right now.
And this is the southernmost point in the Keys. I'm actually surprised. Food is actually the first good food we've had since we've been here. It says that Mordello's place was, I don't know how you fuck up a burger, but they fucked up the burger. It was not good. What'd Crystal get?
Half a pig, as always. I got the bacon and cheese omelet with wheat toast and a muffin. Someone has already taken my muffin. I don't think I'll be getting a taste of that today, but
She likes sausage. We're at Mallory Square right now. I don't know what these heads are, but we're about to check them out.
This is the Memorial Garden.
For what, slave owners?
Probably.
Yeah.
We all look one day.
They look like a bunch of slave owners. Apparently this is a woman. Lena Johnson. This one, ugly ass woman. Harry S. Truman. Cocksucker himself.
I think they made them their accurate height.
You think so?
I think they made them their actual height because they're all
Yeah.
different heights.
Yeah. Maybe.
Which means that I'm like pretty tall. I'm like her. I'm like the same height as her.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves.
That makes me not freakish and short.
So now we're going to do some outdoor shopping. Bunch of chickens in there.
Like a makeshift. Ooh, look at this thing. What's the price?
You can see all the way to the reef.
We are at the Shipwreck Museum. We're on the top of that treasure museum. Shipwreck Museum. I'm not a fan of heights. We out here at the hotel pool in the Keys. If you have the means, come check out the Keys. It's beautiful out here. You know my motto. You can't take none of this shit with you. And tomorrow's not promised. So do whatever you want to do when you can do it, if you can do it. Alright?
Oh, you just want to record me getting out?
that double
Look at that.
cheeseburger.
Look at that monster.
Apparently, they have a museum ship from the Coast Guard here. Very pretty in the Keys. Feel like I'm in the Bahamas. Alright, I'm walking all the way down there.
All right, guys, it is day 3, and we had breakfast at the Two Friends Patio restaurant.
It's actually pretty good.
It was actually really good, and you got a
It was
lot.
really good. It was pretty good. It was okay.
Well, you don't ever order good food. It was very good, right? Okay, it was very good. Now we are going to go on the glass bottom boat. The one thing I was very excited about before we got here. So apparently the whole bottom is all glass. You see the ocean, fun stuff. So, and it's friendly. So Kyla can go and have a good time. We'll show y'all some more footage once we get on there.
So we're down on Duval Street. I just discovered the world's smallest bar. Look at that thing.
Break it up into little pieces before you give it to them. Break it up. There you go. All right, we are at Robbie's on, what's it called? Isla something. I don't know. It's in one of the keys. So we stopped at Robbie's to feed the tarpon, where you pay $2.25 to hand you some fish, stick your hand in the water, and 6 feet fish will come and snatch it out of your hand. So that's what we came here for, but we stopped to eat breakfast, and it is good. I don't know what I got, but it's like biscuits, gravy, scrambled eggs, sausage, bacon, hash browns, all in one. So there you go. We will video when we go feed the fish after breakfast. Three. Well, 2 and a baby. You gotta throw it in? Throw it in.
Crystal, get your arm down there good. The fuck? Damn! Just leave it that one. I'm good on that. I'll record.
Really, nigga?
Go get another bucket. I want to get some video on my phone.
I want you to do it.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
Why are you so scared? Was it fun, baby? What'd you do? You put snacks in there? Okay.
All right, so we're all done with our adventure in Key West. We're heading home. It's a 7-hour drive. We just got done feeding the tarpon. We didn't get to do as much as we wanted to, like parasailing and stuff like that, because of course we came down when there was a hurricane going on.
Yeah, a lot of rain, gloominess, but it's not a good time.
Also, the kid didn't make it as fun as it could have been, so don't date women with kids, just word of advice.
Kyla, did you have fun? You did?
Yes.
Well, she had fun.
Of course
She was whiny.
She got a bunch of toys, got to eat, sleep, and shit. Yeah, she had a great time. So,
But I had a great time.
all right, well, hit that like button and subscribe. We had a good time in Key West.
We'll be coming back.
Yep, y'all take care. Whoa.